Hey y'all, it's me. Second day in a row. It's my second time recording this, so hopefully that's going to be good luck. The reason I'm re-recording it is I hit the pause button to go get something, and instead of hitting the pause button when I came back, I hit the record button, so it cut it off. And I'm still not gifted enough to add to. So, all y'all get is me. So, let me start this from the top. In here are all my numbers. Those of you who've done giveaways with me know exactly what I'm talking about. They're little slips of paper with numbers written on them. That's all it is. Where did I get the numbers from? Well, from this, my loves, from the comments. 417 of you commented. You've got a 1 in 417 chance of winning my giveaway unless somebody else enters, and that's 1 in 418. Now, I have 122 fairies written down. If it's more than 122, will someone let me know? Because that means I've got to go and find the rest of the fairies. Which will not be fun. Got 2 packages in the mail today. I'm only opening one because one is a yarn swap and I haven't sent their yarn off yet. And it's the yarn that I got in last week, the really thin yarn. She immediately piped up and said, I'll do a yarn swap. And I'm like, okay, hey, sounds great to me, because I knew I wasn't going to be able to use that yarn. But she chose to do a yarn swap with me, so I took her up on it, y'all. Also, to get that package, I had to go to the post office. Note, they did notice the hair, yeah. But it's okay, because the mail lady here, the lady that works at the post office, is beyond cool. Okay, she just took one look and said, did face her none, but she did ask. And I told her, I said, it's because I've gotten 1,000 subscribers from YouTube, and I had promised when I reached 1,000, I would color my hair different colors all month long. And the only reason it's not a different color today, y'all, is I woke up late because we had thunderstorms roll through last night, so I had a hard time sleeping. And they've been going on for most of the morning. Our power went out for a while, so I couldn't record. You know, just normal day-to-day stuff. And we're supposed to have storms the rest of the week, so works for me. Now, I have a very special shout-out. And I would appreciate you guys going to check out this young lady's channel. She's young. She can't be more than 17, 18. Very young, but she's very good. It's called Crochet at My House. That's the name of the channel. And I've subscribed, so if you go to my subscriptions, you'll be able to find her. Crochet at My House. I think I told her all this, but I'm going to repeat it because she told me to critique her channel, which y'all, I will do. I did talk to her about the volume, so she's working on that, y'all. She made a cardigan, and it's beautiful work, y'all. And she makes a lot of granny squares, different kinds of squares. They're awesome. They're like really inventive. They're unique. And some of them are very difficult to make, just judging on the type of square it is. I don't think I could make some of those squares she's got. And she is like beyond talented. So if y'all get a chance to check out Crochet at My House, is the name of the channel, Crochet at My House. She's a sweetheart. So if y'all wouldn't mind just maybe moving over there, checking her out, seeing what she's like. She doesn't have very many videos. I think she has like 3. I checked her out because she asked me to. She only had like 7 or 8 subscribers at that point. So I wanted to make sure I got her shouted out. Now, the second order that I can open today is Mary Maxim. Yeah, free shipping, all that. But I think there's something in here in particular I was waiting for. I'm not sure yet, y'all. I can't remember what I ordered. You know, because of their COVID thing, their delivery times are like really off. So you can order something, it will be a month getting here. Yes. Oh, I dropped all the stuff, y'all. Hang on. So not gifted. Well, her little, they're, oh, and that's still that thing. I know I'm going to try that. I'm looking at it, y'all. I'm not going to spend that much, though. I'm going to wait for it to go on sale. They sent me another note thanking me for my patience, which is good. Oh, this is all Starlet. They were all $1.99. Very cheap, and with free shipping. So into that. Now here is something that's going to come in very handy. Y'all gonna like this. Yeah. This is their Starlet. And let's see, it is 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, approximately 180 yards, 165 milligrams, and it is called Red Wine. Didn't there used to be never mind, a song about red wine? Red wine. Yeah, there was. Sorry, guys. I tend to go off on tangents if you haven't watched me before. Sometimes I stay in the moment, and sometimes I like, phew, go, totally different subject. And then here's another one, and the color on this one is chocolate, which I love chocolate. Okay. I think I'm going to use some of these in this second blanket. I think I'm going to use this in that. I may have to order some more of this because this is really nice yarn. It's soft too. I don't know. My last two colors are interesting. Hang on. It is a multicolor, and they have, of course, less yardage. No, it still says approximately 180 yards. Wow. This is called light denim. Ooh. Ah, there you go. Well, a little lighter. There we go. Light denim. Okay. And I got 3 of them. I got 3 of each just in case. I always like to have enough to do something with. And then here's this color. And this color is brown heather, which I love heather colors. I don't know if I've ever told y'all that. For some reason, heather colors just really seem so unique because they have so many different levels of color in them. I love the heather colors. Just saying, I do. Yeah, I would love to get some more of the Starlet yarn. It's going to have to wait, though. I got a little bit of other stuff I've got to get done first. Normal. Things you got to take care of, people. Oh, hang on. And that's what happens when you draw air in the wrong pipe. Wow, that was something else. My eyes are on. But her yarn is over there, and my box I've got to send to her is on top of that. So after I get my box sent off after the first of the month, then I will open hers. But I wanted to let you know, Sharon, I got it. Thank you. And I will open it after I get yours sent. I just got to put a couple more things in yours. I can't resist. But, I mean, that's just me. Y'all, if you've never been in a tiny house during a thunderstorm, don't. It sounds like constant boom. It scares the little dog so bad it's not even funny. She sleeps like right here next to me whenever we have storms like that. So like I will look down and there's her little face right there in front of me. Because I sleep on this side, um, so she's always facing me, but she's closest to the door away from the window, which is fine with me because whenever it calms down, she gets up and she walks away and, and then comes back when it starts up again. So, you know, what can you do? You love your little babies like they're no tomorrow. Um, what is everybody working on? I told y'all what I'm working on. I'm working on that big butterfly blanket. I got to make another one of these, and I'm still doing the ripple blanket in another blanket I'm working on for my granddaughter, which is going to take a while because I've changed my mind on what I'm going to do, which means I've got to buy a whole bunch more nerds of that candy shop. The nerds. I can't think of who does the candy. I think it's Premier Candy Shop. I'm not sure. I have to wait till it goes on sale. But the Nerds is what's going to be in her blanket. And since I changed my mind what kind of blanket I'm making her, I'm going to have a lot more Nerds. I've already got 2, 4, 6 skeins of it so far. I'm probably going to need at least another 6 because it's going to be, to get it to where it needs to be, it's going to need to be that big. Look, I got 6 of 2, 4, 6 of the big Karen cakes to do that one ripple blanket, and it's probably just barely going to get it. And those nerds are much, much smaller, people. So, I mean, yeah, I need at least another 6 to do it because, I mean, I got to double the size. Yeah, it's going to be about maybe 12 or 13 skeins of nerds for her blanket. Um, oh my gosh, y'all, the color for that butterfly. I don't know if y'all remember the color I got in, but it was I can't think of the color. It's that beautiful blue. I think it's called Ocean. And it's just gorgeous. It is crocheting up so pretty. I am beyond excited to see how this turns out because this is a gorgeous color. Um, I have an idea of where that blanket's going to end up, but I gotta make these before I can get it to where I need it to go. If that gives y'all a little hint. To where I don't need it to go. But that's okay, because it's, hey, what am I going to, I'm not going to say no. Look, for some reason, I finally decided that my strengths lie in blankets. I mean, I just like making them. I like having the thought, just being able to work on them to, have something going in my lap all the time. And with bigger projects, you end up with that. But sometimes I like to see the quick and easy patterns, just done, one and done, kind of things. I don't know. I really don't. I know that I was thinking about doing ornaments for everybody for Christmas, but I don't know if I can do that. I really don't. I'm wondering if I should just do hats for everybody. I don't want to because some people may not like hats. And with the chocolate bonbon hat, you literally really need to go another two sections on it to make it right. Um, because it's just not long enough. It stops right here. And most people like it to go a little bit down so they can fold it up. I know all the ones I made for my sister and her daughter-in-law and her soon-to-be daughter-in-law is I had to do the extra so that they could fold it up because they wanted the hat. They just needed the extra length. And I'm pretty sure my nephew would have liked a little extra length as well. He loves me anyway. He's not going to tell me no. Yet. But anyway, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and get off this thing because I've already run 15 minutes. That's a lot longer than I should. And I noticed that y'all ain't watched the videos all the way through, so. Trick question. If you watch the video all the way, tell me you're working on some kind of blanket. It doesn't matter what kind of blanket, just say something blanket. I'm working on this blanket. I'm working on that blanket for Christmas. You know, that kind of stuff. I'm going to do a surprise drawing out of all the people who comment on this video, and I'm going to do it at the first of the month. And I'm going to send y'all a surprise. Don't know what it is yet. I'll figure it out. May send it from a company to you, so be prepared to give me your actual physical address. If you don't want to do that, don't enter. Because most of the places I choose to order from need a physical address to deliver to. All right. That's it. What kind of blanket are you working on? And make sure you put it vague enough to where people looking down at the comments won't realize that something's going on. Got me? Only want the ones that watch the video to the end. Y'all take care. Bye.